how to follow a playlist on Spotify. So if you want to follow a playlist on Spotify, then first of all you need to open up your Spotify application and make sure to log into your Spotify application. And after opening your Spotify, now you can simply go for the search, which is on the bottom left, and then simply search for any playlist that you would like to follow. So here I'll be choosing this playlist. Simply choose that playlist, and here you might have a heart shaped icon or this plus shaped icon. You can simply tap on that and it will add to your library. So now what you can do is simply go for your library, which is here on the bottom right, and from here you can go for your liked songs, and here you will have all of these playlists, so you can have the update on your playlist. So that's it. That's how you follow your playlist on Spotify. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.